What's going on, y'all? It's Landon with AQUALUX Auto Detailing, doing this, I guess, two-part series for the Dupli-Color tire paint. This is the clear version. I just did the black version on the other side, and we're going to take a look at it on this. Like I said before, the key to this stuff is prep. Making sure that tire's clean and prep. I cleaned it 4 times with Super Clean. Like I said, I just wanted to give it every benefit of the doubt. Because I'm going to be recording these videos weekly to keep up with the documentation of it, and doing the 4-to-1 alcohol spray is another key. And this is going to be the clear side. It's a little bit different. This would be for more guys that have the white letters. They like the white letters on the outside, or I've seen what's kind of new is putting those decals on your tires. I guess I'm a little more old-fashioned, getting older now. I don't really care for that stuff, but hey, if that's for you and you still want that look, sure, you could put it around it or maybe even over it. Not going to cause a problem. It is windy today. I don't really run into an issue because I use a sponge applicator. Like I said, had somebody ask me a question about that, and even when it's windy, I just stay low to the ground and I keep a mat, and that's where I spray. I keep this down there, I spray, and I don't worry about it blowing into it at all. So that's kind of, I guess, my trick on that. And I'll show you the tire really quick. You can see it's dull, lifeless. It's been on for like 2.5 months. These tires get about 30,000 miles on them. I'm trying to give you all a good view. And so that's it. All right. So I'm not going to keep blabbing on. I could go on for days about nothing if I wanted to, but here we go. Make sure I can see what I'm doing. And this stuff, like I said, goes for under $8. So let me know what you like, dislike about this video. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, leave a comment below what's your favorite tire dressing. I'm all about trying new things, finding new things, and finding cost-effective ways and stretching that hard-earned dollar we all work for. So here we go. Like I said, I always spray about half the pad. I'm doing it in front of y'all so you can see, and I keep Citral 266 on by, but this stuff's not black, it's clear, so you're not really going to notice if it gets on the rim. Maybe with a feel and texture, and I'm going to show y'all exactly how fast this stuff dries. Here we go. Alright, so there's one. And it's flashing, and it should be done. That's a pretty big difference right there. I can see a huge difference right here, right there. And I'll touch it. Not even fingerprint, nothing. Make sure you see all 4. Nothing on my fingers. It's dry. Goes on really nice. Love this stuff. Alright, shake it up again. That part, do it again. And we're applying it about 30-degree weather, so keep that in mind when you're applying it. It recommends to be applied in about 70-degree weather, but I'm not really worried about it because I like to push the limits on this stuff. So I don't know if y'all can see, but it kind of looks, I guess, satin. You want to go satin? I think satin's the word. So nothing too much. I'm going to go with 2 coats and call it good. And like I said, it's dry, nothing. It's pretty cool about how the stuff flashes, and you can still use it outside of the can onto an applicator. Absolutely love that part of this stuff. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, and then for that second coat, I'm going to overdo it, lay it on thick. Here we go. Alright. There's that one. Just for kicks and giggles, we'll get this one. Soak it up, see if we can get it to run, maybe. Trying to use it a little bit here. Let's see if I can get anything going. Alright, maybe that's about 1.5. Oh, we got a little running here. Here, look at that. It's running, it's running. Boom, done. Don't have to worry about it. Just took care of that. Alright. Let's see what y'all see. Trying to make sure I can see what y'all are seeing. Sometimes it doesn't show up exactly. I'm filming the same way. Alright, do a little bit more, just because I want to see both tires kind of look similar make them look similar the best I can. It's going to be fun to see how these look. Kind of keep track of documenting this. I'm really curious to see. And last time, I will apologize, last time I failed miserably because we happened to decide, hey, we want to go get a new house. So Market was right. So that is my excuse for not keeping up with it last time documenting. But this time we're going to do it every week. So every Tuesday, even if it's raining, I don't care. Especially if it's raining, that'll be cool because if it's raining, you're going to see how it works, the water properties on the tire, how it beads and all that stuff, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll zoom in a little bit, give you all a look. Nice little satin. Like, yes, I know this would be better if it had white tires on, or white lettering on the tires, but you can see kind of a little similarity. And if y'all want to, why not? I'll show y'all the other tires. Bear with me really quick. We'll go to the other side, and there's the black side. Alright, so maybe give y'all a little comparison. So, and it's completely dry to touch. You could get it wet right now if you wanted to, and nothing would happen. I guess while we're talking about it, I could get it wet. Let me see if I can find something really quick to make that happen. Alright, here we go. Show you all this real quick. Make sure y'all can see. Because it has not even been within, I don't even think, 5 minutes of me making both videos, so I promise being transparent with you guys. Alright, so here we go. Look at that. That looks sweet. Keep in mind, this is not even 5 minutes. Beautiful. And it'll just wipe right off. Wipe right off, won't have any issues, won't be on my hand. I'll even do it barehanded. Got nothing. Make sure my hands are clean. Yep, these hands are clean. Right here, it's clean hands. Nothing. See that? Clean hands. Clean hands. Well, I love this stuff. And I'll take y'all to the other side. Bear with the concrete really quick. We'll go to the other side and get this done. Hold on. We'll get this side. Why not? Make sure I am being up front with you guys and you can see everything. Alright, here we go. Look at that water beading and that sheen. Woo! I love this stuff, especially because of the price. It's under 10 bucks. Alright, here we go. Clean, dry hands. Nothing. No transfer, no nothing. Nothing. Beautiful. Absolutely love this Dupli-Color tire paint. Alright, thank y'all for tuning in. Sorry this is a longer video, but hopefully y'all enjoyed it and y'all got something out of it. And I'll catch y'all later.